Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q3 Black Edition 35 TFSI S-Tronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Glacier white metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 1.5 litre petrol engine, you get 147 brake horsepower with 250 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 9.1 seconds and onto a top speed of 130 miles per hour. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 20-inch Audi Sport 5 V-spoke star design alloy wheels finish in matte grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that white metallic paintwork and working really nicely with the gloss black styling package. With the electrically operated tailgate open, you get 530 litres of boot space, which is perfect for your everyday essentials or weekend away luggage. With the rear seats folded down, you get 1,525 litres, which is perfect for those larger and bulkier items. The interior is finished in twin leather with contrasting stitching for maximum luxury, with the centre armrest, dual cup holders and rear air vents giving the rear passengers maximum comfort. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel to two child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable with four-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, so mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display, you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control, we have the Audi Drive Select, which gives you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And next to this is the Park Assist button, which brings up the front and rear sensors and rear camera to make parking all the easier. Both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, thanks to the dual zone climate control. Both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you'd like to look at this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.